Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. How are you all? I hope all are doing well and enjoying your lockdown. As I prefer, I think it's a good time to spend more time with your family. When the situation gets in a correct way, I don't think so you have to time to spend more time onwards. Here my bhabhi is cleaning the chicken which actually my mama bought from his own chicken farm. Then we thought why it shouldn't be cooked on the terrace, so this is just kind of a get together. After cleaning the chicken, there is a turmeric. Then add the salt as per the quantity of the chicken. Here we have taken 2 kilos of chicken. Then 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. After adding all three things, give a good mix. This chicken is being prepared for making biryani. Then add curd. In COVID time we can't go anywhere, so try to make your days more interesting. Do buy different things. After adding curd or yogurt, again need to give a good mix to it. After this leave it for some time, and next is preparing the masala. Here my bhabhi is taking out the part of the onion by the both side. And my younger sister is peeling off the garlic. By this slicer you can slice more onion in much quantity. If your person have cook more quickly, then you must have this kind of the slicer at your home. You can see here how the slicing is get done, how easily it is. As you can see how the quantity of the onion, garlic and ginger we have taken. There must have something to have when you have some chit chats with your family. I made this pizza with keema. After had the pizza, back to the cooking, she is adding 2 cups of oil. If there is a fats in the chicken, then you reduce the oil. After this, add all the khade masale as you like it. Here we are adding bay leaf, shahzira, 2 or 3 cardamom pods, some cloves. Here we are not adding all the khade masalas like star anise, mace and each and everything, because we really don't like the flavors of all the khade masala. After added all the khade masala, then methi goes. Let the methi to be cooked in more crispy way, then add the onion. After added the onion, cover the lid till it turns into a brown color. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to onion to get done in brown color. Unless it get this done, here ginger and garlic paste is getting ready. In between the onion getting into a brown color, then add the green chilies. Here we have added 5 to 6 slits green chili, because later we will gonna add red chili powder. Wherever you left the children always create their own world. After turning onion into a brown color, add the ginger garlic paste. You have must to cook this paste in oil in such a way that its raw smell must go out. After this, mint is adding. Let it to be cooked, then goes chopped tomatoes. Here I am not mentioning the quantity of the masala and veggies I have taken for the biryani, because most of the people like the more masala biryani and some of like lesser masalas biryani. 1 tablespoon coriander powder, turmeric powder. Next is salt, only as required for the masala. Next 4 to 5 spoons of red chili powder. After added these all things, need to cook it till the tomato gets smooth and mushy. Keep one thing in mind, whenever you make the biryani, always take the high bottom and thick bottom of the vessel. Here masala got cooked very well. After this adding the chicken here, which we were left for rest for some time. After adding the chicken, stir it well. Two tablespoons of garam masala powder. Adjust the salt and again need to cook it for some time and cover the lid. And here children are having the fun with each other. Next adding the water. Add the water as required for the rice. If you have soaked the rice before, then you have to reduce the water quantity. Here this salt is adding for the rice before we already added the salt for as per the masala. By as you do the salts correctly, you can adjust with each and everything. After the water is getting boiled, then need to add the rice. In the last goes chopped coriander. Here is tips: always squeeze the lemon after adding the rice. By as you do, your rice will not get break. In the last process, adding the food color to the biryani as you like. In my family, everyone wanted to have the biryani in red color, so we prepared the red color biryani. After tasting the biryani, again 1 tablespoon of salt. Cook till its water gets evaporates. We just use this cloth as we don't want to steam to go out. Then cover the lid and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes for them. Here we are placing a tawa under it because we wanted to dum the biryani more quickly. There is my mama with my daughter. On terrace only we set our dastarkhan. On that day everyone enjoyed their meal on that night. My father always says there must be a sweet along with the biryani. If it is not, then there is not good match to it. Then finally biryani got ready. You must try this biryani and serve at your family with the chutney or raita. Here is my plate: biryani, raita and holige or its kind of sweet paratha. That's for all today. I hope you liked today's video and enjoy it a lot. If you like my video, then hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Stay tuned for upcoming videos and till then, Khuda Hafiz.